New multi-viewer magic from Ensemble Designs. Stunning detail and simple setup. Easy, click-to-fill configuration for your Mac, PC, or iPad. The new Avenue Multi-Viewer from Ensemble Designs.
Hi, I'm Phil Kurz with Broadcast Engineering. I'm joined by Cedric Fernandez, who is the CTO of MobiTV. Thanks for joining me today.
Glad to be here, Phil.
Broadcast Engineering, NAB, we have a readership that many over-the-air broadcasters, and they are wondering how can they participate in a sort of TV anywhere experience for their viewers. And now it looks like there might be some opportunities for them to do so, especially with the advent of these smartphones and media tablets that give them access over an IP network for back channel. Just what are some of your thoughts, and where's that all headed?
Well, I think there's a real opportunity here, right? I think if you look at the traditional broadcast model, it's always been about one-way delivery. You know, you get almost no information back from the user in terms of what the user's doing, what they're watching, you know, whether they've actually seen an ad, haven't seen an ad, etc. I think with the new types of devices we're seeing here, whether they're smartphones, tablets, other IP-enabled devices, there's a very real opportunity for these broadcasters to latch onto an IP network, use that as a back channel to actually get information about what the user's doing. And I think with that comes a lot of power in terms of being able to further monetize the service, you know, whether it's through advertising, through second screen type experiences where you've got contextual interactive advertising, or really even using IP to deliver additional content, you know, whether it's non-real-time content or other things over IP, create that unified experience for the end user and further monetize that service. So I truly believe there's a very real opportunity here. That's something that can be done.
So the technology's in place now for the back channel. It will be a matter of discovering the business cases and then putting in place the infrastructure to make those business cases a reality?
That is correct. I mean, the technology exists today. I think what you need is a device that can do both, right? You know, you can have a device that has a broadcast receiver. A lot of these devices already have the IP connection, so that's not an issue. Technologies to deliver over IP exist today, so that's not an issue, right? So I think a lot of the back-end platform delivery mechanisms, etc., those things exist today. It comes down to the business models, you know, and what's the ROI for doing something like that. But it provides the broadcasters with an opportunity to not just leverage advertising, but deliver additional services that can be used to upsell the consumers and, you know, users of their services to more valuable services.
And lastly, if you looked, say 5 years down the road at what the broadcaster's business model would be, would you have any thoughts about
tough
what
question.
they would be doing? It is tough. Okay, how about 5 minutes down the road?
Well, I think there's a bunch, like I said, there's a bunch of opportunities. You know, I think definitely advertising will continue to play a role. I think for the broadcasters, I think you could see pay TV services coming across from the broadcasters. I think you could see upsell opportunities with new functionality as part of, you know, maybe a broadcast unicast unified experience that they could sell to consumers. So I think the opportunities exist. You know, technology exists. I think it could morph into a combination of any of these models out there.
Okay, well Cedric, thanks for taking out a couple minutes to come by
Pleasure
here
to
at
be here,
NAB.
Phil.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.